I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see your friendship history with someone on Facebook. Have you ever wanted to take a walk down memory lane and see the journey of your Facebook friendships? Whether it's reminiscing about shared posts, photos, or important life events, Facebook's See Friendship feature is a digital treasure trove of memories. In this video, I'll show you how to explore your friendship history on Facebook. This fun and nostalgic feature lets you see the timeline of your interactions with friends from the day you connected on Facebook to the present. Now let's walk through the steps to see your friendship history with someone on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and then navigate to your friends page that you want to see the friendship history for. That person's information screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap the ellipses at the top of this screen. The profile settings screen is shown. Step 3. Tap See Friendship. You'll land on a screen that shows you the overview of the friendship history between you and this specific person. If you scroll down, you'll see photos and posts that you're both tagged in. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.